Well, I have told it to the best of my ability. And that the story told in Scripture is all about you. The God of Scripture, both Old and New Testament, is your own wonderful I am. That's God. There is no other God. His name forever and forever. That is the eternal being placed into the mind of man. And he brings with him the resultant state. And that resultant state is David. And when you've played all the parts, and there are no other parts to play, you've reached the end. And then the brain explodes, as it were, and here he stands before you, and without any word, although he does call you Father, without the use of a word. I don't need my daughter to come home and say, hello, Father, to remind me that that's the same girl that I said goodbye to the day before. As she comes through the door, whether she speaks to me or not, I know she is my daughter. So if David speaks or not, when you see him, you know he is your son. There is no doubt he is your son. And in his mind, you are his father, and there is no uncertainty as to this relationship. So here I tell you, it's in store for you. Everyone is going to experience it. And I can't wait to hear confirmation after confirmation. And I'm so thrilled with this experience of Laura's, where she actually could feel the union, that unity of the two without loss of identity. For all the identity of person, now, there is a radical discontinuity of form. That's why that one form could house both. As we are told in his letter, Paul's letter to the Ephesians, there is only one body, one Spirit, one hope, one Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God and Father of all, who is above all, through all, and in all. So that one body allows Laura to feel the unity. For I wear that body. And she, at that moment, she was wearing that body, or she could not have felt it. So it's the one body in the end, without any loss of identity. That's the mystery. How can we, billions of us in this world, and billions to come, and yet they're all numbered? It's not just a matter of numbers coming in. Everyone is numbered, as told us in the 32nd chapter of Deuteronomy. Read it in the 8th verse. He has set bounds to the peoples, according to the number of the sons of God.